Hi, I'm Marie Hopkinson and I run the Chinese Medicine Podcast channel. We've reached 150 subscribers and that's really great. I'm very excited about that. And it's a passion of mine to teach people about Chinese medicine. I want to say thanks so much for subscribing. We've reached 150 subscribers today, so that's really great. And I just want to say thank you very much to the people who've subscribed. If you're not a subscriber and you happen to be watching this, well, what are you doing? Click that subscribe button and share my videos so other people can get to know about the benefits of Chinese medicine. If there's something that's benefited you, then please feel free to share it. If you're a practitioner and you like my videos, I'm happy for you to share my videos on your website or within your page or to your patients or people that you feel that would help them. So please feel free to share the videos. Let's get the word out there that Chinese medicine's got some great things that people can do for themselves alongside the treatment that you already may be doing, or to help stop symptoms that are bothering you. Been really pushing the channel the last 6 months since sort of October 2018 and doing lots more videos and really just focusing on it. When I first started the channel a long time ago, I didn't really want to be a YouTuber or anything like that. I was just doing it simply to use it as a platform to provide content for my own patients, actually. And I found that a lot of people like particularly some videos are very popular on my channel that are the diet therapy videos, and I've got lots of different kinds of videos here. So if you are already a subscriber, please look through and see if there's other things there that may help you. That's my intention with the videos. I want to help people. I want you to get the benefits of things that you can learn how to do for yourself. A lot of people say, oh, Chinese medicine is a cheap and effective way of treating things, comparing it with Western medicine. Well, acupuncture is not really cheap. You have to pay for the treatments, and certainly I'm not treating patients for free. But these are some of the free therapies that are associated with Chinese medicine. So learning how you can do acupressure can be a free treatment if you watch a video, and then you can apply those treatments for you. So if you've got something that you'd like me to talk about, maybe there's a topic that's bothering you, you'd like to know what does Chinese medicine say about a particular topic, I'm going to be doing some more Q&A type of podcast episodes. So if you've got particular questions, please leave them in the comments below on this one or other videos. If there's something that you'd like to know about, or you'd like me to do a tutorial about something particularly, acupressure for a particular condition or something like that, then put that in the comments and I'll be happy to look at those suggestions and make some new videos for you. So this is saying thank you so much for subscribing. We've reached 150 subscribers. We want to get to 1,000 by the end of this year. So that's totally doable. All we need to do is share these videos and let your friends know. If there's something that you like, please feel free to share it with your friends and family. And let's spread the benefits of these really easy to use and apply therapies and concepts that Chinese medicine has to offer to keep people healthy, to stay healthy. And look, I wish you the best of health, and that you continue in your journey in discovering Chinese medicine and learning about your body and yourself. So thank you.